From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
A cylinder and a cone have the same volume. If the height of the cone is 24 cm, find the height of the cylinder. So this is the cone. Height of the cone is 24 cm. This is cylinder. We have to look for the height of the cylinder. So let the height of the cylinder be capital H. Since they have the same volume, you want to record the volume of a cylinder and volume of a cone. Volume of a cylinder is pi r square h, and volume of a cone is 1/3 volume of the cylinder, pi r square h. Since they are equal, we see that pi r square, let's call this capital H, must equal 1/3 pi r square h. R square can cancel r square, pi can cancel pi, and the height of the cone is 24. So the h we are looking for is 1/3 times 24. 3 here is 8. So the height of the cylinder is 8 cm. And that's B. That's the answer.